So this is room 3258 in the Royal Caribbean. Adventure of the Seas. And we got 2 beds. You can make it as a king bed, and on the top there are another 2 portable beds. We didn't open it yet, they're gonna open it later. So the room has the ocean view and the window is quite big. That's the storage. Lot of storage they have. This is the bathroom, shower stall. Bathroom is decent size. And we have a sofa here, a TV, dresser. Look at this window, quite big it is. A good ocean view. And when I booked the room, I didn't go choose this room. I choose the room. So they put me in this room and I got a good deal. I paid less, but I got a good room with a good view. Look at that view. Awesome, right?